In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change price scale. Sale in Tradingview. By the end of this video, you will have adjusted the price scale on your Tradingview chart, including choosing logarithmic or linear scaling, setting the scale position, and inverting the scale with the changes applied to your chart. First, open Tradingview. Launch it in your browser or open the desktop app. Once Tradingview loads, make sure your chart is visible on screen so you can work directly with the price scale. Next, move your cursor to the price scale on the right-hand side of the chart. This is the vertical axis that shows the current price levels. Right-click directly on that right-hand price scale. A small context menu will appear with options specific to the scale. From the menu, select Price Scale Settings. This opens a settings panel or dialog dedicated to how prices are displayed on your chart. Keep your cursor on screen as the settings window appears so the selection is clear. Now, adjust the options you need. Start with logarithmic or linear. Linear uses equal spacing between prices and is straightforward for small price moves. Logarithmic spaces the scale based on percentage change, which can make long-term or large-range moves easier to compare. Choose logarithmic if you want equal percentage changes to look equal on the chart, or stick with linear if you prefer absolute price spacing. Next, set the scale position. And this determines where the price scale sits on your chart. If you prefer the scale on the right, leave it as is. If you work with multiple panes or just want the scale on the other side, switch it to the left. The change is purely visual and won't affect your data, just where you read prices. Then review invert scale. Turning this on flips the price axis so higher prices appear at the bottom and lower prices at the top. This can be useful for certain strategies or for comparing inversely related assets. If you turn it on by mistake or don't need it, simply turn it off again. These toggles are safe to adjust, and you can always revert them later using the same settings. Take a moment to confirm each choice. If your goal is to better visualize percentage-based moves, logarithmic is generally helpful. If you want your chart layout to match your workflow, set the scale position where your eyes naturally go. Only enable invert scale when you specifically want to flip the orientation. There's no risk here, these are display settings only. Once that's done, click OK. The chart updates immediately to reflect your selections. Look to the right side of the chart to verify the change in spacing. If you chose logarithmic, check that the price scale moved if you changed the scale position, and confirm that prices are oriented as expected if you inverted the scale. The candles, bars, or lines will now render according to your new price scale settings, making it easier to interpret price action the way you prefer. At this point, your Tradingview price scale is configured. If something doesn't look right, repeat the same steps to open price scale settings again and adjust. Small changes like switching back to linear or returning the scale to the right-hand side can quickly restore your usual view. Remember, these settings do not modify your data or indicators. They only change how the vertical axis displays price. Your price scale in Tradingview is now changed and working as set. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.